tolerances on the starboard plating look good.
Confirmed. We can proceed with the gold application on schedule.
The gold trim here needs to align precisely with the waterline.
I'll adjust the parameters on the fly, see how this rotation affects the reflection.
The fire suppression system integration looks good here.
Agreed. Let's check off Section 3 of the safety plan.
This section covers the auxiliary power systems. We need to ensure the redundancy checks are logged.
The class requirements are clear. I'll sign off on it now.
This one goes right here. All right, I'll secure it now.
The weld integrity seems excellent here. Logging the data now.
Agreed. Let's move to the next section.
Okay, pull the slack out of the orange one. Clear, taking tension now. Hold it right there, looks good.
Conduit run. Check the conduit into outing here. We need to ensure clearance for the wall panel.
Already done, the harnesses are excellent.
slowly now. Watch the alignment.
Okay, easy on the hoist. Looks good.
Checking connector 4 now.
Reading is stable. Confirmed. Check the vibration dampening on the starboard side.
Readings are stable, well within parameters.
We need millimeter precision on this deck plating before the next section arrives.
Watch the starboard side. Lower it slowly. We need it aligned now.
Confirming the forward lounge boundary here.
Looks aligned with the digital overlay. Let's mark the floor points.
Electrical conduits are routed through walls and floors, preparing hidden paths for lighting, controls, and smart systems.
Sanitary and drainage systems are installed with corrosion-resistant materials for long-term offshore use.
Torque set to 50 Newton meters.
Calibration looks good. 3 green blips. Look at this swirl here. It's quite unique.
Yes, it adds character. Should I approve it?
Yeah. Yes, this is the one. Mark it for the owner's suite.
Interior lighting calibration. LED lighting scenes are calibrated for day, night, and ambient modes.
Alarms escalating on the primary circuit.
I see it. Rerouting power now. The system is stabilizing.
All water systems are pressure tested for leaks and stability.
All systems green. Slow movement initiated. Exiting factory bay.
Engine alignment nominal. Cryogenic levels holding steady. Go for final pressurization check.
We have a minor alert on the turbidity sensor here.
Yes, I see it. It's correcting itself now. The main test is stable.